Welcome to the process of managing the loan mandates of IIFL Home Finance. In this video, we'll guide you through some simple steps to cancel, amend and suspend your home loan EMIs. Visit www.iiflhomeloans.com. Click on Raise a Request from the Contact Us drop-down menu. Scroll down to select the respective product and insert the account number. Verify this through your registered mobile number with an OTP. For mandate cancellation, select Service Category tab. Select Repayment Related in subcategory. Mention the reason for repayment mandate cancellation. To complete the process, click on the Submit button. For mandate suspension, in the Repayment Related category, change the subcategory to EMI Presentation Hold to raise a ticket for the operation team to check the excess amount present for the prospect. It is important to ensure that the excess amount present is equal or greater than the next month EMI. With this, the operation team can hold the EMI presentation for the current month. For mandate amendment, in the repayment related category, change the subcategory to repayment bank change to raise a ticket. As next steps, follow instructions mentioned on mail related to the documents and visit a nearby branch to make this change. Your ticket has been logged into the system. For any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team.